Everyone, today we got Hisense H50S. It is called Infinity H50 and the model number is HNR 500E. So we're going to replace LCD unit. It opens from the sides. Be careful, there are buttons here and there is a fingerprint sensor or power button on the side. I think it's 2-in-1. This cover is a bit damaged. So we go all around. It has locks. You have to be careful about this button only and the side button also. I've removed the SIM tray already. So please, before you open it, you must remove the SIM tray. Put the back cover aside. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please, I need watch my videos till end. I need watch time. I need your help, guys. Please help me out. So after removing the screws, we put it aside. This phone is with me from past 4 or 5 months. I was struggling to get the LCD, so I just put it aside. We'll remove the battery connector and we'll pull out the battery also while we are busy with the back cover. It shouldn't be that difficult, but we can use some tools if it is becoming difficult. It has sticky. Okay, so the battery goes out. Put the battery aside also. That's your main flexi cable. We have to remove this as well. This adhesive, you can put it back so it can hold this paper, or we'll use glue later on. We remove this, and now we're going to heat up from front so we can remove the LCD. Once it is hot enough, my LCD is too cracked, so just enter through from a side somewhere. Be careful, these glass are very sharp. Give it a push a little bit and it should be out. There is a speaker grill there also. Be careful about that. And it's removed easily. It wasn't that difficult, but I did make it hot so it can loosen up some glue. Now we're quickly going to clean the sides, the small pieces that didn't come off, and also this glue. Now it is clean. We're going to put the new LCD. I've already tested it, and we're going to put the glue all around B7000. I'm just gonna go all around it to put the glue. I have removed these blue plastics so it can stick properly inside. Now we're going to enter the LCD flexi and put the LCD. You can feel the fitting when you press it. It's all the way in. And now we're going to flip it. Now we're going to you can see the line align with it so you don't struggle with the connector. Connector is giving us a little bit no problem. Why? It's connected. Now we're going to open the sticker and put the battery. Once the sticker is properly in, put the battery. Now we're going to put the fingerprint sensor. This works to your power button also and a fingerprint sensor as well. It's a 5G phone though. I'm amazed to see that Hisense has a 5G phone. I didn't know all along. It's been with me from past 7-8 months. So we're going to put this cover now, and now we're going to put all the screws quickly and put the back cover. Only thing that you need to be worried about is this fingerprint sensor. Problem here is that if it is not fitting well, then it's keep pressing the power button and power button keep switching on and off. So here you have to be a little bit cautious. I'm gonna adjust it. That's how you change LCD on Hisense H50S 5G. Please, I need watch time. Please guys, please help me. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye. Please share my video, watch it full, like it. Thank you very much once again. We're going to put the back cover. As you can see, this fingerprint sensor has two locks here. So if you put them rightly, then the back cover will close properly, otherwise the phone will keep switching on and off. And now we can close it. Please guys, help me to get watch time. I need watch time. I need your support. This is how you change LCD on H50S Hisense 5G. Subscribe my channel, watch my videos, share, like, and until next time, goodbye. I don't think so that I showed you that it was working or not, but let's see. There it is. It's working 100%. I've tested it already. Goodbye.